Hello there, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix quality unavailable problem on YouTube. To start this tutorial, open and locate your YouTube application. Long press on the icon this time, and then click on App Info. Once you are in App Info, scroll down. Now this time, go to Storage and Cache. Once you're here, all you're going to do now is tap on Clear Cache. Once done, close it, then open YouTube application. Now try to browse for a video that has the same problem before. Alright, let's use this video as an example. And as you can see, everything is now playing over at my YouTube application. Even with the quality set to auto, or even the highest, it will now work. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well.